Hello everybody, I hope everything is okay with you. As usual, this is Abdurrauf Ahmed and welcome in new English video. First of all, like, share, subscribe if this is your first time to watch us. Our today's video is about generator. When you are going to buy new or used generator, you must pay attention for some terms. There are three types of generator when you are going to buy a new one or used one. Depends on the application of using the generator. You must know some things. Will the generator work 24 hours or it will discontinuous operation or what? In fact, there are three types of generator according to this matter. Number one, prime. This type is used for continuous operation for generator, 24 hours working. So if you found the generator nameplate marked with prime, this means continuous operation. This generator is used for places without local electricity. This type of generators we can load it over than 10% of its nominal load, but for short time. It uses mainly in petroleum field and work in deserts for weeks of work. These persons need generator and this type is suitable for these purposes. The second type is continuous and this type is like prime, but we cannot load it over its nominal load. The third type is standby, and this type is used for emergency cases only when the power off. Then when you are going to buy a generator, pay attention for what you will use it. That's all for now. I hope you get benefit from our video. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.